So this next exercise, we're gonna use a foam roller and do some rotations. Now, as you can see, I'm in a half kneel position. Now, what I wanna do is I wanna make sure that my core is braced here. I wanna make sure that my glutes are squeezed in this position. I'm gonna take the foam roller in front of me. Now, I wanna make sure that I'm really pressing hard into the foam roller, and this is gonna activate my core a little bit more. So press into that foam roller, and now my left leg is up. I'm going to rotate as I'm pressing through, and then I'm gonna come on back to starting position. Keep on pressing onto that foam roller, activate that core, brace, breathe, and squeeze. You're gonna rotate through as far as you can. You're gonna come back to the middle. And then you'll go ahead and switch. Same positioning. Make sure you're bracing through the core here, squeeze those glutes, push through the foam roller, and rotate. Those are some half kneel thoracic rotations using the foam roller.